All right, so no intro, no outro, straight fire. Happy Friday. It's 2:14 on the East Coast. I'm traveling for work, so it's like 9:14 p.m. where I'm at. So yeah, my video's been all over the place this week just due to travel and stuff like that. But let's get into these trades. So off rip, I had the DXY buying this week. So that means UCAD, USDCHF, UJ buy, AU, EU, GU, NU sells. USD CAD, as you can see, I'm still in this trade. Um, want price to hit the weekly high, and the basis of my trade really is because price took out sell side liquidity, closed above the POC, and then tapped me in right here. So I'm currently in this trade, risking 35 pips to get 90 pips. So that's what, 2.87%. Um, Once price again gets to my take profit one, I'm taking my partials. So this trade's probably going to be a trade that hit next week. It's cool. Still going to stay into it. I don't mind holding trades over the weekend. That's the good thing about trading your own capital, or mostly trading your own capital. Excuse me. Your riskiness is a little bit different. Like you can take more risk when it comes to things. And then also I can hold trades over the weekend because again, I'm trading my own capital. I don't have any rules based off of, funded accounts and things of that nature. So yeah. USDCHF, it really didn't give me like any ideal plays. Reason being is because one, I was looking for buys. Two, there was really no liquidity sweeps. Like USDCHF kind of just consolidated this week. So no really ideal buying opportunity to get into the trade. Now, if I would have just went off of Monday's range, let me get that, put that on there. If I went based off of Monday's range, I would have got in right here, and I would have got hit out shortly after, which I did. I did. But yeah. Again, you just charge it to the game, you keep it moving. But on a weekly level, there's really no weekly liquidity grabs and there's no monthly liquidity grabs. USD CHF has kind of been in this range really for 19 days now. So I don't foresee it moving as much, especially being the fact that Christmas is next week and then the following week after that is New Year's. So yeah. USD JPY up and away. Again, it's trading within this monthly range, which is cool. But just with my confluences, took out the weekly low, closed above the POC, and then aiming for the monthly highs. I actually got out right here at the weekly highs, and it was funny because I was on a Zoom call with my homegirl Mo, and I'm like, dang, I could have really just rolled this up to the monthly, but I'm cool with a little bit not being greedy because that's just how I roll. So I'm cool with it. But yeah, that was a clean, very clean trade. All right, AUD USD. Again, I've been in sell since last week. Move my stop loss to break even, and it's kind of just doing its thing. The reason why I think, or I believe, or I have projections that this is going to really take off and go where it's supposed to go is because, ooh, what did I just do? Is because one, ooh, no. Let me refresh. I ain't trying to modify none of my trades. All right, there we go. Um, is because last week, well, let me just paint the whole picture for you. Price was trading within this range for the month, right? Price took out the monthly highs, and then last week price took out the weekly highs. So monthly highs, weekly highs, those are my confluence, and I'm like, okay, cool. My two confluences lined up. This is going down. So as you can see, I got in right here, and I got it right here. I'm up in these two trades, and I'm just withstanding the test of time and like letting it float down, and go where it needs to go, pretty much. So my first take profit one, which is right above or right below the monthly highs, I'm going to take out my position. And then my take profit too is really the previous week's lows. But yeah, AUD, it's giving what it needs to give. EUR USD, same thing with AU, right? Took out monthly highs, took out weekly highs, and is just my clear indicator of, all right, is go time. Let me go ahead and get in this trade, and I'm gonna ride that sucker down. Boom, right? Get in this trade and then ride that sucker down again. Boom. So again, it's just withstanding the test of time and just seeing, how price wants to play, how price is moving. Again, for me, I'm not greedy, so knowing me, I'll probably take profits at the weekly low and keep it pushing because I don't want to hold a trade. But yeah, that's kind of my where I'm at with EU, Great British Pound USD. GU on some tweaking. Well, I don't even know why. I don't know why this is here, but GU been on some tweaking stuff. Like, yeah, it took out the highs, took out monthly highs, weekly highs, but no closure below the POC. Which just shows me that it potentially might want to go a little bit higher before it reverses down. Which again, that's cool with me. Trade what I see, not what I think. And then last but not least, NZD USD. So NZD, all my trades for NZD USD hit. This was just a theory test with me and my homegirl. But again, similar to, everything that we have been doing. My NZD trade, I was in it since last week. I actually got in up here, and I wrote it down to right here, and then didn't really enter in any more positions for this week, because I had way too many trades open, and I didn't want to get a margin call from my broker. Because the thing with trading regulated is dumb brokers will give you a margin call, and they will close your trade out. Right. So right now I'm currently in 4 trades, 2 AU, 1 EU, 1 USD CAD, and then I have a pending order for my EUR USD. So yeah, that's just kind of my week recap. I know it's been a lot. I'm all over the place, but yeah. So next week, straight up, not trading. And I'm also. Yeah, next week not trading. The following week, probably still not going to trade. So I probably won't look back at the charts until like the 5th of January, which is perfect. So what I'll do is I'll hop up on a call like the day after New Year's or whatever the case may be. Record everything, kind of see what my monthly bias is for the month, and then we'll start the new year off like that. So with that being said, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays to whatever you celebrate. Hope your holiday bring you love, joy, and laughter. And I'll see y'all in the new year, man. 2025 was a great year. I'm blessed. I am blessed. Hope y'all had a good 2025 as well. But 2026, we're running it up.